This video, I'm going to show you pseudo class in CSS. It represents the special state of an HTML element. At first, let's create here new file and let's keep the name as 31 CSS studio pseudo class.html. And after giving this file name, I want to change this. I want to use this boilerplates from here, and I want to change this document into the CSS pseudo class. And inside the head section, I want to create here one another HTML element, that is the style element. And inside this style element, I want to style the CSS, style the HTML elements. Before that, I want to create here the list here. I want to create the order list here. Before that, I want to describe about this pseudo class here. Pseudo class means actually it represents the special state of an HTML element. We have already seen the link in CSS. Inside the link in CSS, we have discussed about the visited link, active link, and then the link, and also the over in the CSS link. And that is actually the pseudo class. If I write here, inside the comment section, if I write here, we have already discussed about the a::link, okay, a::link. And this link is the pseudo class because it represents the special state of this anchor element, okay, anchor element. And also we have the another pseudo class, that is the visited. Visited is also the another pseudo class because it represents the another state of an element. Likewise, if I write here the visited and also the another is the active and the hover, that actually represents the pseudo class of that HTML element. So okay, now let's create here some list here using the list. I'm creating here the order list, and I want to create some list here. And first one is the T, second one is the coffee, and third one is the and third one is the milk. Okay, I want to write here milk, and I want to copy this list here, and I want to paste it down. And if I click on this go live options from here, I'm clicking on the go live options, and I'm getting this 9 list here. And if I want to style some T here, then I can write here the ID. I can make the ID, or I can create the class, or I can choose anything from here. But this is the static link, and I can do such types of things. If this link is dynamic link, then how can I manage those things? So I can manage the dynamic link or dynamic list using the property of pseudo class in CSS. So I can write here the CSS property. First of all, I want to write here list, and I can give here the pseudo class. At first, if I want to style the first list here, then I can write here the first child. Okay, if I write here the first child, and if I want to give this color as red, then if I go to browser, now first list color is changed to the red. If I want to style the last child, then I can just write here the last child, and color becomes the red. If I want to change the not first child and last child, if I want to give the specific child like nth child, and if I give the value as 4, and if I go to browser, now fourth list is become red. And also I can give the different pattern. If I write here the 2n plus 0, then it becomes the 2, 4, 6, 8 as red, because it is at the starting point. The value of n is 0, so 2 into 0 plus 0, that is 0, and it doesn't give any color here. And value of became 1, and of n value became 1, then 2 into 1 plus 0, that is 2. And if value of n became 2, then 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Likewise 6, 8. And also I can give the different pattern. If I write here the 1, then you can see the output. First one is red, and third one is red, fifth one is red, seventh one is red, and ninth one is red, because at first the value is 1, after that value is 3, after that value is 5, because 2 into 2 plus 1 is equals to 5. And also if I want to write, if I want to give m last child, as the last, and then child, and if I give the value as value as 3 or 4, then it will start from the last side. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it will count from the last side. Okay. And also I can give the specific, I can style the specific element, or I can style the particular element, and also I can give the style, or I can write here the inner property. Like if I write here the hover property here, if I hover the mouse, then it will shows me the border. Then I can write here 1 pixel solid grid. Okay, grid. And if I go to the browser, and if I hover the link, I got here the one border. Okay, If I over the list, then I got here the border. In this way, you can use the pseudo class in CSS. You can simply search Google and find out the pseudo class in CSS. You will get the many more information about the pseudo class. But my objection is to make you understand what is pseudo class and how does it works. So in this video, I have talked about the pseudo class in CSS. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And upcoming videos will make some more CSS videos. And after that, we'll move into the bootstrap videos. So stay tuned with me. Please, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thank you so very much.